Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's more than just a buzzword. It's a fundamental shift in how successful businesses operate. We're talking about ethical sourcing. But this isn't just about feeling good, it's about building a powerful, resilient, and profitable vendor network that can truly set you apart from the competition. So, if you're ready to learn the secrets to creating a supply chain that is both sustainable and profitable, you're in the right place. Let's start by clearing up a common misconception. Ethical sourcing isn't a charity project. It's a strategic business decision. It means ensuring that the products and services you buy are obtained in a responsible and sustainable way. This involves everything from fair labor practices and safe working conditions for employees to minimizing environmental impact and promoting economic development in the communities you source from. Think of it as building your business on a foundation of integrity. When your vendors thrive, your supply chain becomes stronger, more reliable, and less prone to disruptions. And in today's world, that stability is pure gold. So, where do you even begin? The first secret is to define what ethical means for your brand. This isn't a one-size-fits-all definition. It needs to align with your company's core values, your mission, and what your customers care about. Are you passionate about environmental conservation? Then your focus might be on vendors who use recycled materials or renewable energy. Is social equity your driving force? Then you'll want to prioritize partners who pay fair wages and support their local communities. Create a clear vendor code of conduct. This document will be your North Star. It should outline your non-negotiable standards for labor, environmental practices, business ethics, and transparency. This isn't just a piece of paper, it's a public commitment that holds both you and your suppliers accountable. Once you have your standards defined, the real work begins, finding the right partners. This is secret number 2. Look beyond the price tag. The cheapest option is rarely the best in the long run. Start your search by looking for certifications. There are many reputable third-party organizations that do the heavy lifting for you. Think Fair Trade, B Corp, Forest Stewardship Council, or Global Organic Textile Standard. These labels are a strong indicator that a vendor has already been vetted for certain ethical practices. But don't stop there. Go deeper. Use online databases, attend industry-specific trade shows with a focus on sustainability, and join professional networks dedicated to ethical business. These are fantastic places to get trusted recommendations. Now for a crucial step that many businesses skip, the vetting process. Secret number 3 is to verify, don't just trust. A slick website and a certification seal are great, but you need to dig deeper. Start with a detailed questionnaire. Ask specific questions about their supply chain, their labor policies, their waste management systems, and their community engagement. Ask for documentation, like copies of their own internal audits, employee handbooks, or environmental permits. The willingness of a potential vendor to provide this information is a huge green flag. If they're hesitant or vague, that's a red flag. If possible, conduct site visits. Seeing their operations with your own eyes is invaluable. If a personal visit isn't feasible, a video tour can be a good alternative. During these visits, look for evidence that their stated policies are actually being put into practice. Are the working conditions clean and safe? Do the employees seem engaged and respected? This first-hand observation is priceless. Alright, so you've found some amazing, ethically aligned vendors. What's next? The fourth secret is to build true partnerships, not just transactional relationships. Your goal is to create a network where everyone wins. This starts with the contract. Go beyond standard terms and include your code of conduct as a binding part of the agreement. But a healthy partnership is about more than just rules. It's about collaboration. Communicate openly and regularly. Share your sales forecasts to help them plan their production. Be transparent about your own business challenges. And most importantly, offer support. If you discover a vendor is falling short in a certain area, don't just cut them off. See if you can help. Can you connect them with resources for improving their energy efficiency? Can you co-invest in a training program for their workers? When you invest in your supplier's success, you're investing in the stability and quality of your own supply chain. This collaborative approach builds immense loyalty and resilience. Now, let's talk about profitability. This is where many people get skeptical. Isn't ethical sourcing more expensive? The short answer is sometimes, initially, but the long-term payoff is massive. Secret number 5 is to understand the true return on investment of an ethical supply chain. First, you dramatically reduce risk. Supply chains built on exploitation are fragile. They're vulnerable to sudden factory shutdowns, labor strikes, negative media exposure, and new government regulations. An ethical network is more stable and predictable. Second, you enhance your brand reputation. Today's consumers are smart. They actively seek out and support brands that align with their values. Having a transparent, ethical supply chain isn't just a nice-to-have. It's a powerful marketing tool that builds deep customer loyalty and trust. This allows you to command a premium price and attract a dedicated customer base that is less sensitive to price fluctuations. Furthermore, an ethical focus often drives innovation and efficiency. When you challenge your suppliers to reduce waste, use less energy, or create safer working conditions, you often uncover smarter ways of doing things. These efficiencies can lead to direct cost savings that flow right back to your bottom line. Think about a supplier who invests in energy-efficient machinery. Their operating costs go down, and those savings can be passed on to you. It's a classic win-win situation. The profitability isn't always in a lower per-unit cost upfront. It's in the reduced risk, the stronger brand, the loyal customers, and the long-term operational efficiencies. So, how do you make sure this all works in the long run? The sixth and final secret is continuous monitoring and transparent storytelling. Your work isn't done once the contracts are signed. You need a system for ongoing evaluation. This could involve regular self-assessment reports from your vendors, periodic third-party audits for your most critical suppliers, and having clear key performance indicators, or KPIs. Track metrics like worker turnover rates, waste reduction percentages, or community investment hours. This data helps you see who your star partners are and where improvements are needed. And once you have this data, share it. Be transparent with your customers about your sourcing journey. This is your story to tell. Create content that highlights your amazing vendors. Film interviews with the people who make your products. Write blog posts about the positive impact your business is having. This transparency isn't just about accountability, it's your most powerful marketing asset. It transforms your products from simple commodities into items with a story, a purpose, and a soul. People don't just buy what you do, they buy why you do it. Telling your ethical sourcing story connects with them on a much deeper level. Let's quickly recap the secrets we've uncovered. First, define what ethical means for your unique brand and create a clear code of conduct. Second, find the right partners by looking beyond the price tag and leveraging certifications and networks. Third, verify, don't just trust, by using detailed questionnaires and site visits. Fourth, build true partnerships through collaboration, support, and fair contracts. Fifth, understand that profitability comes from reduced risk enhanced brand reputation, and innovation, not just upfront cost. And sixth, continuously monitor your network and transparently share your sourcing story with the world. Building a sustainable and profitable vendor network is a journey, not a destination. It takes commitment, patience, and a genuine desire to build a better business. But the rewards are immeasurable. You're not just building a supply chain, you're building a community, a legacy, and a brand that people can truly believe in. You're creating a business that is resilient, respected, and ready for the future. Thanks so much for watching today. I hope this gives you a clear roadmap for your own ethical sourcing journey. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content on building a business with purpose and profit. And I'd love to hear from you in the comments. What's one step you're going to take this week to make your supply chain more ethical? Let's continue the conversation down below. See you in the next video.